An all-natural, food-based ant bait can attract other pests if it contains ingredients those pests find appealing. Use a focused bait strategy. Place small amounts of sugary or protein bait in sealed, shallow containers with one small access hole to let ants in but make it harder for larger pests. Choose bait ingredients based on the ant species you see. Sugar and honey attract sugar-feeding ants, while peanut butter or tuna attracts protein-feeding ants. For an all-natural option that reduces cross-attraction, try boric acid mixed into a less sweet carrier such as mashed potato or oatmeal because it presents a neutral texture and limited scent compared with syrups. Always set baits near ant trails and away from food preparation areas and pet feeding spots to reduce incidental attraction of rodents and cockroaches. Check baits twice daily for the first week and then daily for 2 additional weeks so you can remove them promptly if non-target pests show interest. If you need a stronger behavioral pull for ants without broad appeal, use tiny pieces of ripe fruit rind rather than open syrup, which limits airborne attractants that can draw other insects. The most common problem is that sugary baits attract cockroaches or flies, and the quick fix is to replace syrupy carriers with drier, less aromatic ones like oatmeal or mashed potato and monitor closely. Another frequent issue is mice finding accessible bait, which often happens when baits are left on open surfaces. Move bait into tamper-resistant stations or under furniture where only ants can enter and remove any bait that draws rodents. A final concern is that homeowners expect immediate disappearance of ants. Ants may relocate nests or feed multiple colonies, so continue monitoring trails, maintain cleanliness, and reapply bait in small amounts for at least 2 weeks to break colony foraging patterns. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with people who need projects completed. We also host a discussion community on the site where users share experiences, bait recipes, and practical monitoring tips so homeowners can choose approaches that fit their homes and pest profiles.